Welcome in my classroom, and today I want to speak with you about an alloy. And an alloy is a mixture of metals, and this is an alloy, and this alloy has the name brass. And today I want to demonstrate to you an experiment where we can make our own brass. So for this experiment we need a evaporation dish, we need a burner, we need sodium hydroxide, zinc powder, water and something made of copper, and I will use a 5 € coin. Let's start the experiment. First we will put some sodium hydroxide into the evaporation dish. We have to make a concentrated solution, so we use several pellets. Then we will add some zinc powder. And then we will put some water to it. So, to start this reaction, we have to use the burner. So we will make a blue flame and heat the mixture. Meanwhile, we can use the coin and put it into the mixture. And now we have to wait. The next step is to take out the coin and clean it. And as you can see now, the coin is now a silver colored coin. So the result was a coin with a silver color. The silver color isn't silver, but it's zinc. So what has happened during this experiment, I want to demonstrate you on this screen. So this is the copper coin with the copper atoms, and we tried to make a layer of zinc above on these copper coins, like this. And the only reason why this happened was because we used sodium hydroxide and we used high temperature. So now you can see a layer of zinc and a layer of copper. So the metals are not mixed yet, so this is not an alloy. We have to do something extra to make it an alloy. The process in which we create a layer of zinc above another metal is called galvanizing. So this is galvanized copper, which means it has a layer of zinc above on the layer of copper. So to mix the zinc layer with the copper layer, we have to use heat, because then the atoms start moving very quickly, and when they are moving very quickly they will mix. So we're going to use the heat of the burner, and we use the heat to let the atoms move quicker, and hopefully then they will mix. So now you can see a color change. You see, it's a little bit gold color now. So when this happens, you have to cool it down. And now we have a gold colored coin. We used heat, and that heat was used by the atoms to move quicker and quicker and quicker. And when they move quicker, they will mix. And then this will be the new situation. So here we have zinc atoms mixed with copper atoms, and this mixture is an alloy, and the alloy has the name brass. So we started with copper, Then we created galvanized copper, which means it has a layer of zinc on it. And then we create an alloy, which means the zinc atoms and the copper atoms were mixed. And this alloy has the name brass.